In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Lucidchart canvas bigger. If you're looking to expand your workspace in Lucidchart, follow along step by step and we'll get your canvas resized to just the way you want it. Let's begin by opening your web browser and going to Lucidchart's website. It's a user-friendly tool for creating detailed diagrams and flowcharts, and it's quite popular for its versatility and ease of use. Once you're on the Lucidchart homepage, look for the Login button. It should be prominently displayed at the top of the page. Click on Login to proceed. You'll be prompted to sign in through your preferred means. For the purpose of this tutorial, I suggest clicking on Sign Up with Google for ease and speed, assuming you have a Google account. This could save you the hassle of remembering another password, plus it integrates seamlessly with your existing Google services. Next, you'll need to select your Google account to sign in. This step takes you directly into Lucidchart where you can access all your charts and projects. If you have a document you're already working on and want to adjust, click on it to open. If you're starting fresh, feel free to create a new document. Lucidchart's interface is quite intuitive, making it easy to start from scratch. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top navigation menu and click on File. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From here, select Settings to adjust your document parameters. In the Settings menu, look for Document Settings. Clicking this option allows us to modify specific aspects of your current project. Now within the document settings, you should see an option for Infinite Canvas. By default, this might be toggled on, allowing for endless scrolling. For resizing purposes, toggle this option off. This will enable a drop-down menu that provides you with size selections, perfect for tailoring the canvas dimensions to your specific needs. When the size drop-down becomes visible, you'll encounter various options such as A3, A4, Legal, and Folio. These are standard sizes that might suit your project directly. However, if you're in need of something more tailored, there's an option for Custom as well. Selecting Custom allows you to input precise dimensions, ensuring your canvas is tailored exactly to your requirements. And that's it. You've now successfully expanded your canvas in Lucidchart to the dimensions that best fit your project. This simple process gives you the free space to create and organize information effectively. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Be sure to try these steps the next time you're working in Lucidchart and need some extra room for your creative ideas. Thanks for watching and happy charting.